And thanks CVF to giving us opportunity to speak about our group. So my presentation will be in a part of two group. One is I'll speak a little bit about CV industry, that what is CV industry today, how the CV industry will be look like in 2030, and what is the key driver and challenges CV industry is going to face. And after that, I'll be talking about my group, that what is the technology we are offering as a group to the industry, what is the new technology we are coming up. So here we're starting up. So CV industry today, this is as per the SIAM data, CV industry is touching 1 million mark, and leading is below 3 tonners and followed by 12 tonners, and contribution from 3 ton to 12 ton and followed by the buses. In today's conditions, mainly diesel and the CNG are the fuel which is contributing. This is what the expected landscape in 2030. Then again, if I'll consider a CAGR of 2.5, then average growth of CV industry will be 1.2 million in 2030, where again the main contributor will be below 3 tonner, followed by 12 tonner and above vehicle, and LCV, that is 3 tonner to 12 tonner, and followed by the buses. Here we can see an alternate fuel mix-up, where in below 3 tonner there will be a battery electric, there will be a CNG, there will be a diesel, all category will be available, while in 12 tonner and above, diesel and H2 ICE, this will be available over there, while buses will be equally distributed into the diesel and CNG and some extent to the battery electric vehicle. So one takeaway from here is that diesel is going to be continue as a dominant fuel. So what is the key driver to coming into the alternate fuel? So these are few of the key driver where our government is pushing up to adoption of the alternate fuel, zero emissions. So all those things, high fuel price, these are things to pushing the industry to adopt the alternate fuel. Few of the challenges were infrastructures, driver adaptation, range anxiety, FAME subsidy, all those things are the challenges. So considering this, the industry is going to have diesel, CNG, industry is also going to have H2 ICE and battery electric. These 4 type of the alternate fuel industry is going to have. So for this, what is the technology Sterling Group is offering to the industry? So this is how Sterling Group is placed in near future. So Sterling Tool is our parental company where we are offering our services to the diesel, CNG, battery electric, all segment, because this is our parental company where we make fasteners. We have a motor controller unit where we are offering a motor controller unit to battery electric vehicle. For motor business, we have a JV with Advanced Electric Machine. This is a UK-based company and they have a unique technology to make magnetless motor. We also join hand one of the European joint, this is a 95-year-old company in Europe for the supply of hydrogen. And we also have onboard charger and PDU JV partner along with us. So Sterling Tool, a little brief about the Sterling Tool. We are serving to the industry from last 4 decades. In 1995, we have offered our first initial public offering. This company is listed in National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. Here we are making tensile fasteners. The employee strength is over 1,500 and last year we did a turnover of 120 million USD. So here we have 2 plants. We have 3 plants. One plant is in Faridabad and the second plant is near to Faridabad and third plant is into the Bangalore. So for fasteners, geographically we are into north and south. For motor business, for motor controller business, we joined hand with a company. Its name is Gtake. This is a Shenzhen-based company. And here we are manufacturing motor controller unit. So in morning session, one of the panelists was discussing that availability of local mechanical part is available while availability of electrical and electronics part is not available. So here we are offering industry to localized motor controller unit up to 330 volt system. And going forward, we will be localizing to the 650 volt system also for motor controller business. So this is our product portfolio. So we are having from 1 kilowatt to 220 kilowatt, 225 kilowatt, when range is from 48 kilowatt to 650 kilowatt. And here up to 330 kilowatt, we are offering a localized solution to the industry. This is our customer base. In motor controller unit business, we did 22 million USD in last year. This year, we will be targeting 45 million USD. So we have one more interesting JV where we partnered with Advanced Electric Machine for magnetless motor. So this is a patented technology, and this company is a spin out from Newcastle University, where they are serving 30 customers across 4 continents. So they are most sustainable, high performance, safest, scalable, and lowest cost. In a motor, 30% contribution, cost contribution is from magnet. And when you remove magnet from a motor, straightway your cost is coming down. I am not saying that cost is straightway coming down 30%, but it will come down significantly. When you will not be having magnet in your motor, then there will not be a back EMF. When back EMF will not be there, then you will be able to remove copper winding as well. So this is a very unique product which offer magnetless motor with aluminum winding. So without magnet, you can go up to a speed of 30,000 RPM, where you will be having a system level efficiency of 94%. Of course, there is no magnet, there is no copper. So your cost will be going to be lower for sure. And when there is no magnet, no copper, then your product is completely green. We also have a JV along with one of the European company, and this company, we are joining hand to supply distribution system of H2. This is valve and the pipeline. This is what we are planning to have over in India, and this plant will be somewhere into the western part of India. So we'll be having one more JV other than this. This is for onboard charger. So considering all this, geographically, we will be in north, we will be in south. These 2 factories we are planning to come up into the western region of part, and considering all the fuel, alternate fuel, like CNG, battery electric vehicle, H2 ICE, and diesel. So we will be going to participate in all the alternate fuel. So with this, if anyone is interested, you can reach to us. Our technical team is here. We are open to discuss. And before she came and say that we are in time crunch, I want to wind up quickly. Thank you so much.